Mexico! Yeah!
Day 268. The black truck's still not running, but maybe soon. This is the part that sucks because it's all small, tedious that just takes forever. So the engine's in here, the turbo kit's on here. It's all the boring shit, running the lines, doing the fuel system, all the shit that nobody cares about or nobody wants to see. But hopefully, it won't be running this video. Hopefully, next video it'll be running, and then we can be on the dyno and just go.
What's up? What's up? I need to wear sunglasses indoors, like all those other idiots. Like, you know how they be wearing sunglasses indoors because they're stupid? Nah, you better not catch you doing that. So, I don't know what day it is of the build, but drivetrains and fuel systems mostly plumbed. Doing the wire harness right now. It's already been repinned. So on this engine, it's got Mustang cams. So what that means is that F-150s and Mustangs that are Coyote based have different firing orders. Yeah, we'll put up a picture right here and we'll show you the numbers, how they basically fire off in a row, right? So I don't remember them off the top of my head. I haven't been doing Coyote but maybe like 4 or 5 years now. But like the old school Chevys or like LS, and then you got 1.6 blah blah blah. So they follow a row, and that's all dictated by the camshaft on any given engine. So F-150s and Mustangs both have different firing orders, and what we've done here essentially is with this TKM engine that we have dropped in this one, it's got Mustang cams, so I have to switch from F-150 firing order to Mustang firing order, and you do that by repinning the harness or switching harnesses over to a different one. But in our case, it's just easy to just do the repinning. Basically, you're just flipping 2 cylinders at a time, and it's good. You do that for the injectors, you do that for the coil packs. And I mean, it's pretty much all you have to do there, but it is a little bit time consuming if you haven't done it before. I have a spreadsheet that tells me what needs to be moved over. The guys over at Lawn were obviously a big help with that too. They gave me the initial pinouts on what needs to be moved, and I just made it a lot neater and transferred it over. It's like on a nice spreadsheet that tells me, hey, on a 17 Ford F-150, this pin goes here, pull this pin out, and switch it over here. It's easy peasy. Accessory drive is on, it's got oil, it's got plugs. What I'm doing right now is I'm laying the harness on the engine and getting it ready for battery power. I'm having to relocate the battery out of the engine bay, obviously, because there's turbos and stuff in the way now. And it's not jam-packed in there, but I want everything to look neat, and I want there to be some symmetry in the engine bay and no batteries there and stuff like that. And it also helps for weight. I always, on these, whether it be a car or a truck, I always aim to put the battery on the left-hand side, so the passenger side rear of the vehicle. And that kind of just, if you race for, if you do this professionally or whether it's a hobby or not, you guys know what I'm talking about. You want that battery in the back right corner, or I guess back passenger corner, or as far back as possible if needed, obviously. Some guys with anti-roll bars and coilovers don't really have to do all that. We have all that stuff. Still, something that extra little bit of weight back there. We'll call it ballast weight, but basically all we're going to do right now is just try to get it fired up. And once it's fired up and running, we'll do a fluid check, make sure there's no leaks. We'll do some idle adjustments, baseline tuning with Lund, then put in the big boy injectors and put in E85, and then go from there. It's been a long time coming on this one, and it's had a lot of major setbacks in terms of not having the parts, or we had to borrow the engine out of it and stuff like that. So I'm glad to finally see it coming together again. And I think we're going to do something with this truck. It's got a proven combo in it, proven turbos. I think the turbos that are on there now are publicly available now, so I can actually talk about it. Those at the time that whenever we received them, they were the prototype, I guess, 3rd generation or 3rd revision of the 6870s from Precision. So we have those. We had them before anybody else did. Unfortunately, we weren't able to put them to use yet, but now they're on here, and we're going to see what they do. The Blue Beam made serious power with the older version of these turbos with the same engine, so I think we're gonna do something. So, but like Brian says, that the potential's there. We just gotta prove it. So that's what this truck's gonna do. So we'll see y'all whenever it's running.
What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today is a Saturday and we are not at the shop working for some reason. Just kidding. That reason is we are going to Circle D's open house. They've had this awesome building that I think we showed y'all in a tour video a couple months back, but now they're doing their first like meet and greet open house where everybody can kind of walk the facilities, check everything out, talk to the guys that make it all happen over there. So we got together with the little group here and we're leaving our shop and we're heading that way, so stay tuned. Some scandalous, some savagery might have happened along the way. Some of these guys are wild. I don't think we're gonna post everything, but some of them, a couple screws loose for sure.
feel like I'm in 05 right now, just chilling.
Wind it back.
Yeah.
Kenny Bell mammoth blower.
Kenny Bell, haven't seen a Kenny
Got
Bell
that
in
Ken
a
Bell,
long time.
Ken Bell supercharger.
Yeah.
Remember the guy used to make the noises with his mouth?
Yeah.
Bro. Sick. That's dope. All of 420 horsepower, but it's dope. I have a soft spot. I'd love a nice blue one again, like I had, but an actual Coyote.
What a f***ing unit. These are the guys that you don't want to race because they got nothing to lose. You know? Unreal the things you gotta do to a 4-door to make it run like a 2-door.
Yeah. Garrett, how much this one make?
40? Spent 7 today.
No, huge.
Grayson's, I think, Joel. Was yours the 2K? Yeah, Joel. What's this
Mine
one?
went 7. It's not right.
13.
Just so everybody knows.
A wheel?
M12. I think so. M3 shit just swaps over.
The M3
What
stuff
Grayson
bolts in,
swaps
yeah.
to.
No, like that. That's not 50.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
oh
Is that
no.
what you're talking about? Yeah, that, no,
No, I
Mike
built
does the
mine.
Ellis
It works?
stuff,
Oh,
yeah.
cool.
I was
It's
gonna
a little low, wasn't it?
No, it's higher than the
Turn? Is it locked up?
No, it's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
I needed to put a pinion and a nut on it and get it freed up and it was fine.
Bro, that thing sat outside for like 3 years. And
Oh, it
he's
seems
like,
fine.
I was like, bro, come get it. I like,
Yeah.
we trip over it.
Yeah, this is like, he sends a picture, he's like, this is my wife, and the guy in his car.
Door stopper. That one of those lock them off.
Oh, okay. So when you say you saw it on camera,
I'm assuming it's a stroker because it's a 6.3 liter. They're running a LS computer, it looks like. Because it's running coal packs, so instead of the OptiSpark.
You ready to go?
Where we going?
Go back to the shop.
I gotta make a stop on the way out.
Where are you going?
Cycle shop. Grand opening thing.
This is a work time, but okay. Adjust your time clock.
yeah, I mean, it's great.
We gotta go, because Roland can only cover until 1.
Just pop in, pop out. Buy some stuff.
Let's go over there, do some burnouts, and then leave. Ruin everything that's not ours. We're about to dip. What time we get here? 10:30? About. That one's good. Which one? Okay. Pork boys. I told him that's what I thought.
Yes.
You can buy 3 shovels.
I think it's bad.
This?
Solid.
Is this a celebrity thing?
No, Sebastian. That Porsche. The one that Paul Walker died in, what was it?
Oh, the Carrera GT?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my buddy Seafish bought one. The same color.
Damn. minute. That's
Did
what
someone
I'm
else
saying.
have one of those? Yeah.
Esos son del diablo.
Right here, smaller.
I think there's one in his birthday.
If you want to attempt this.
Stainless charge pipe though? We're heading out there.
All right, man.
I only got coverage at the shop till 12:30, so
Okay.
I gotta get back.
I appreciate it.
Bye, Ann.
All right, y'all be
Thank you.
safe.
Yeah, likewise. And what's up, guys? We made our way back from Circle D. That was a cool little cruise and some shenanigans that happened. We'll probably put some clips in this video, if not individually. So stay tuned for that. We're still working on the black truck, so hopefully we'll drop that video here in the next couple days. Stay tuned.